Hey guys, this is Sean, and we're taking a look at a Cruisers Yachts 390 Express. This is a 2015. Having a little play on the boat today, taking it out to do some photos. With the seats closed together, the table folded out. This is a very nice dining area for 6-8 people. Easy. The table will convert down into a full bed out here, which is pretty cool. This whole thing will slide, opens everything up. Gives you a nice center walkway. There's the big wide walk around steps that start midship. For entertainment, we have a nice cutting board surface area here, great for serving wine and cheese. You've got a wet bar sink there. You've got a barbecue underneath. I find this is very useful when you're hanging out and entertaining with a nice group of people out here. We've got our fold-up seats, and the entire back of the boat folds down. This boat has the soft top convertible, so it's a huge open sunroof up here. We've got our double wide helm seat, a great area to lounge right here with whoever's driving. We've got Raymarine electronics, including an open array radar on here. Axios joystick system. Everything you'd expect on a late model boat like this with Raymarine VHF radio. Nice storage for day beds up here, purses, backpacks, that kind of stuff. Everybody seems to put it here. Stepping down 3 steps into our main cabin, you'll find that we've got a table here with a nice seating area around it. These guys flip up to make bunk beds if you want to have overnight guests. Those cushions right there in the bow, they can store underneath this seat right here. There's a dirt devil in there, but they'll fit in there, and on this side the table will collapse and make another bed. To starboard, we have our huge head in here with a massive shower. This has great headroom in here. As you can see, I'm 6'3". We've got our galley to the port side here. Nice sized fridge. Stainless steel sink. 2-burner stove. Lots of storage for glasses and plates and all the goodies you're going to want on board the boat. We've got a separate store leading to our stateroom. This is a 39-foot boat. We do have a nice separate stateroom on board for you with a nice big 32-inch TV in here to hang out, watch movies. You got some big windows so you can look out. Nice little seat to sit on here. Drawer storage in here, as well as a hanging locker. It is cedar lined. You got a nice little skylight in here that brings in a lot of natural light, plus very good lighting. We've got our Franklin Chef microwave convection oven. More big windows in the hull. It's a very light and open, inviting environment to come hang out on. Spend some time floating on the water. Got our screen door as well for when it's buggy out. You've got a flip down bolster seat, or foot seat I guess, footstool. There's the boat all opened up in the back. Please let me know if you have any questions and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Nice white hull in this 39 Cruisers. Big windows in it.